Ever banked on the go, but felt chained to your laptop? Ever stared at your phone, willing those pesky bank transfers to magically appear? We've all been there. Maybe you're a freelancer, juggling invoices and expenses across different platforms. Perhaps you're a small business owner, constantly on the move and needing to keep your finances in check. In today's fast-paced world, traditional banking can feel, well, a bit traditional. That's where Novo comes in. Novo is a mobile-first banking platform designed for the modern professional. It keeps your finances organized, accessible, and, most importantly, mobile. But what if you want to take Novo to the next level and seamlessly link your existing bank account? That's where things get interesting. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of Novo bank account linking, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at connecting your financial fortress. Now, before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. Why would you even want to link your bank account to Novo? Here are a few reasons. Effortless transfers. Need to quickly transfer funds from your Novo account to your main bank, or vice versa. With linking, it's a breeze. No more waiting days for transfers to clear, just a few taps and you're good to go. Bill pay made easy. Let's face it, keeping track of bills can be a nightmare. By linking your accounts, you can leverage Novo's intuitive bill pay features to automate payments and avoid those pesky late fees. Organization nirvana. Imagine a world where all your financial transactions, from your Novo account and your traditional bank, are displayed in one place. With account linking, that dream becomes reality. Novo beautifully aggregates your finances, giving you a holistic view of your financial health. All right, convinced? Let's get down to business. Here's how to link your bank account to your Novo account. Step 1. Open the Novo app. This might seem obvious, but hey, we gotta start somewhere. Grab your phone, unlock that beauty, and find the Novo app. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Most apps have a settings menu, and Novo is no different. It usually looks like a gear icon. Find it and tap on it. Step 3. Look for Accounts or Linked Accounts. Within the settings menu, you should find an option related to accounts or linked accounts. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Select Link Account. This option might be worded slightly differently depending on your Novo app version, but the overall idea is the same. You're initiating the account linking process. Step 5. Choose your bank. Novo will provide you with a list of compatible banks. Find your bank on the list and tap on it. If your bank isn't listed, don't worry. Novo is constantly expanding its compatibility, so check back periodically. Step 6. Secure Login. Now comes the secure part. You'll be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your usual bank login credentials, username and password, just like you normally would. Novo uses a secure connection to facilitate this process, so you can rest assured your information is safe. Step 7. Authorization Dance. Your bank might ask you to verify the linking process through an additional step. This could involve a security code sent to your phone or email, or a confirmation prompt within your bank's app. Follow the instructions on your screen and complete this step. Step 8. Voila! You're linked. Once you've completed the authorization dance, you should see a confirmation message within the Novo app, letting you know your accounts are successfully linked. Congratulations! You've unlocked the power of seamless money movement between your Novo account and your traditional bank. Using your linked account. Now that you're linked, how do you actually use it? It's simple. Whenever you want to transfer funds between your accounts or set up bill pay, you'll see your linked account as an option within the Novo app. Just select the account, enter the amount, and Novo will handle the rest. Security matters. Security is obviously a major concern when linking financial accounts. Novo utilizes robust security measures to keep your information safe. They leverage bank-level encryption and follow strict data privacy protocols. Additionally, you'll only be entering your bank login credentials within your bank's secure login environment, so your information never touches Novo's servers directly.